Virgo, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for January. How we'll go about with the video is we'll check what are the energies that we see for you and your person. So the first row is for you, the second row is for your partner, but feel free to flip if you find that the energies are reversed. Now one quick disclaimer before we start. Please take only what resonates with you. If there's something that doesn't resonate, please go ahead and leave it. Now let's quickly see what are the messages we have from the tarot cards for you. The first card for you is Six of Wands, Queen of Cups and Queen of Wands. Person B, your partner, has the Star card, Ace of Swords and 10 of Cups. We'll also check what is the mutual feeling that both of you have, what is the blockage in the relationship and what is the outcome of this relationship. Bottom of the deck, I have the Lovers card, which is Gemini energy, which means that both of you have an emotional connection and a bonding, okay? Both of you feel that soulmate connection and you feel that, this other person is meant for you. Now, from the first set of cards, I see you have Six of Wands, which is a victory card. You want victory in this situation. The second card for you is Queen of Cups. That's, feminine energy where you want to receive love, affection. And the third card for you is Queen of Wands, which is a fire sign energy. Now with Queen of Cups and Queen of Wands, there could be a situation where you're dealing with two people, one with whom you're emotionally connected and the second one could be somebody with whom you have, you're physically connected with that person because you like that person's personality, you are passionate about them. Now that's again for only some of you, it's not for everybody. Now for person B, your partner, the first card is the Star card, which is Aquarius energy. You may feel that, this person is your wish fulfillment. You were waiting for this person and that's your soulmate. The second card here is Ace of Swords, which is again a new beginning, which is based on having an honest conversation with the other person. The third card is 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups is an emotional connection that you have with this other person. Now let's see the mutual feeling that both of you have. The mutual feeling here is Emperor card, which is Aries energy. Both of you want to go ahead and lead this relationship. The blockage that I see here is Ace of Pentacles, which means that both of you want to lead it, but you are not willing to put in that effort to start and have a stable relationship. So that new beginning, that new journey is something that you're not able to go ahead and do. The third card that I see here is Nine of Pentacles, which is again single independent energy. So both of you are single, independent and doing really good for yourself. Now let's quickly also go ahead and see what is the intention of this person here. So the first card is the Judgment card, the Eight of Wands and the Seven of Pentacles. Judgment card means this person has taken a judgment call on what they want to go ahead and do in this relationship. With Eight of Wands, that's the communication card. And with Seven of Pentacles, it means that, they will reflect and try to think what happened and how much time and effort they have put into this relationship. Now let's quickly also go ahead and see what is the message we see from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see here is walk through your fears, which means that if there's something that you're scared about, you need to work through your fears. And with this, we'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the message we have from the Archangels and if there is a crystal that can help you out. So the crystal that I see for you is Indocyanite Tektite. The crystal message is, have you been noticing that things seem to happen unexpectedly? Are old injuries coming back to be reviewed? It is time to dissipate the emotional charges, attachments and expectations. As you heal those around you and essentially the planet. Be in the place of allowing and enjoy life. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Sandalphon, which I'll put in the description box and you can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.